The jet Capsule Hypersport is a compact, futuristic watercraft designed by Lazzarini Design, offering a unique blend of luxury and performance. Measuring approximately 24 feet in length, it accommodates up to 10 passengers and a pilot, providing a comfortable and intimate setting for aquatic excursions. Powered by a supercharged V8 engine delivering 640 horsepower, the Hypersport reaches a top speed of 45 miles per hour, approximately 39 knots, ensuring a swift and exhilarating ride. Its sleek, pod-like design not only turns heads, but also enhances aerodynamic efficiency. The interior is customizable, allowing owners to tailor the space for leisure or transport purposes. While its limited size may not suit those seeking expansive onboard amenities, the jet Capsule Hypersport stands out as a distinctive and stylish alternative to traditional yachts, redefining luxury water travel. The foil One Pegasus is a cutting-edge, single-passenger electric hydrofoiling boat that blends vintage aesthetics with modern technology. Crafted entirely from carbon fiber, it boasts a lightweight yet durable structure for agile performance on the water. Powered by an 18.8 kilowatts electric motor and two 5 kilowatt-hours Torqeedo batteries, it reaches a top speed of 30 knots and cruises between 18 to 22 knots, offering a range of over 2 hours per charge. Its intuitive steering system, inspired by motorcycle dynamics, ensures ease of use for both novices and experienced riders, while automatic hydrofoil height control enhances stability, delivering a smooth and quiet ride by lifting the hull above the water. Priced at €139,900, excluding batteries and charger, the Pegasus also offers customization options to suit individual preferences, making it an exhilarating and eco-friendly choice for water enthusiasts. The Icon A5 is an amphibious light sport aircraft designed for recreational pilots seeking versatility and ease of use. Constructed primarily from carbon fiber, it features folding wings for convenient storage and transport. Powered by a 100-horsepower Rotax 912S engine, the A5 cruises comfortably at approximately 85 knots. Its design emphasizes safety, incorporating a spin-resistant airframe and an optional whole airframe parachute system. The cockpit offers an intuitive layout, enhancing the flying experience for both new and seasoned pilots. However, some users have reported maintenance concerns, including issues with brake discs and landing gear. Priced at approximately $359,000, the A5 represents a significant investment, offering an engaging and adaptable flying experience while requiring potential buyers to consider reported maintenance issues. The Gibbs Quadski Patrol is an innovative amphibious vehicle designed for rapid transitions between land and water operations. Powered by a 1.3L BMW Motorrad engine, producing 140 horsepower, it reaches speeds of up to 45 miles per hour on both terrains. Its unique wheel retraction system enables seamless transformation from an all-terrain vehicle to a personal watercraft in approximately 5 seconds. With a robust design and quick deployment capabilities, the Quadski Patrol is well suited for law enforcement, rescue missions, and border patrols. However, its considerable size and weight may impact maneuverability on rough terrains, and its high price point could limit widespread adoption. Overall, the Quadski Patrol offers a versatile solution for specialized applications requiring swift land-to-water mobility. The Hanstaiger X1 is a revolutionary 64-foot trimaran that defies traditional yacht design, offering an expansive loft-style interior reminiscent of a luxurious urban apartment. Its striking exterior, characterized by aggressive lines and a glass-lined helm station inspired by fighter jet cockpits, sets it apart from conventional vessels. The main saloon seamlessly transitions into a vast beach club via hydraulic transom doors, creating an unparalleled open living space. Equipped with in-mast furling and a self-tacking jib, the X1 ensures effortless sailing through push-button controls. However, its unconventional aesthetics and emphasis on luxury over performance may not appeal to traditional sailors. Priced at approximately €4.25 million, the Hanstaiger X1 is a distinctive choice for those seeking a unique blend of avant-garde design and opulence on the water. The Takuma ETO is a pioneering self-controlled electric towing watercraft designed to provide riders with autonomy on the water. Weighing approximately 75 kilograms and powered by two 5.5 kilowatts batteries, it delivers a smooth and consistent pull, reaching speeds of up to 45 kilometers per hour. The eTow is intuitive to maneuver, allowing users to control acceleration and speed via a remote. Its design ensures seaworthiness with optimized proportions that enable self-righting in case of capsizing, making it suitable for various water conditions. However, its substantial weight may pose challenges for solo transportation, and the high price point could be a barrier for some enthusiasts. Overall, the Takuma ETO offers an innovative solution for independent water towing, expanding possibilities for water sports enthusiasts. The Ccraft DPC4 is a fourth-generation diver propulsion craft engineered for the rapid and efficient transport of dive teams and equipment. With an impressive static thrust exceeding 1,300 N and weighing over 132 kilograms, it ensures swift underwater mobility. Its design allows for the towing of up to 6 divers simultaneously, enhancing team coordination during operations. Featuring an advanced propulsion system inspired by jet engine construction, the DPC4 minimizes torque on the handle across all speed ranges, providing a smooth and stable ride. While its remarkable performance makes it a powerful tool, its specialized features and potential cost may limit its appeal to recreational divers. Nonetheless, for professional applications requiring robust and reliable underwater transport, the Seacraft DPC4 stands out as a formidable choice. The Bravada 80M series houseboat is a luxurious 80-foot vessel designed for comfort and style on the water. Featuring spacious interiors with high ceilings, it provides ample living space for relaxation and entertainment. With multiple bedrooms and bathrooms, it easily accommodates families and guests. Equipped with modern amenities such as a fully functional kitchen, entertainment systems, and climate control, it ensures a comfortable stay. The exterior boasts expansive decks perfect for sunbathing or hosting gatherings, often featuring additions like hot tubs or water slides for added enjoyment. Powered by reliable engines, the M-Series offers smooth navigation across various water bodies. Its sleek design and high-quality construction make it a standout choice for those seeking a premium houseboating experience. However, potential buyers should consider the substantial investment and ongoing maintenance costs associated with such a high-end vessel. Overall, the Bravada 80M series houseboat delivers an exceptional blend of luxury and functionality for discerning water enthusiasts. The Adrenaline Powerboats 47 Reaper is a high-performance center console boat that seamlessly combines speed, luxury, and functionality. Measuring 47 feet in length with a 12-foot beam, it offers a spacious deck ideal for both relaxation and entertaining. Powered by multiple Mercury 450 or outboard engines, it delivers impressive acceleration and a top speed exceeding 90 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest in its class. Its carbon fiber construction ensures durability. The Edorado 8S is a cutting-edge electric hydrofoil boat that seamlessly combines luxury with high performance. Measuring 27.5 feet in length and 8.2 feet in width, it accommodates up to 10 passengers and a pilot. Powered by 250 kilowatts electric motors, it reaches a top speed of 38 knots, approximately 43 miles per hour, or 70 kilometers per hour. Its fully retractable hydrofoil system enhances efficiency and comfort, lifting the hull above the water at higher speeds and reducing drag by at least 60%. The 80 kilowatt-hour battery pack